The NL Sonic Tester is a device for checking the correct functioning of your customer's acoustic camera's microphone array. For this, the Sonic Tester reproduces a distinctive reference sound signal. The NL Sonic Tester comes in two different versions for you to choose the one that fits your needs perfectly. The NL Sonic Tester Single is designed solely for testing purposes, as it produces a sound signal for checking if the acoustic camera's microphones function correctly. The NL Sonic Tester Multi also includes other operating modes which simulate leak and partial discharge sounds. These can be used for demonstrative purposes with the NL acoustic cameras at, for example, exhibitions and demonstrations. When you turn on the NL Sonic Tester Multi, the first mode is the calibration mode. In the second mode, the Sonic Tester produces a corona discharge sound. The third one is a floating discharge, and the fourth a surface discharge sound. The last mode produces the sound of a compressed air leak. In this video, we demonstrate how to check if your customer's acoustic camera works as it should with the NL Sonic Tester Single. If, for example, your customer's company policy requires the camera to be checked with the Sonic Tester, it can be done every 6 months, and especially if the camera has been dropped, it has suffered a blow, or if it has gathered a lot of dust. To check the camera, you need the NL Sonic Tester and any tripod with a quick release mount for mounting the camera on it. You can buy a separate mount for attaching the camera to the tripod by contacting your area sales manager. Place the Sonic Tester on a flat surface close to its edge to avoid the calibration sound reflecting from the surface. We recommend performing the process in a quiet environment and away from any surfaces that could reflect sound. Mount the camera on the tripod and place it 1 meter away from the Sonic Tester so that the devices are facing each other and aligned. Power your acoustic camera. On the camera screen, tap the cogwheel icon at the bottom left corner. Tap More until you see Advanced Settings. Choose that. Tap the button next to it that says Activate to turn on the calibration mode. Plug in the Sonic Tester and turn it on to the calibration mode. The device takes about 10 seconds to start. If necessary, readjust the camera's position so that the Sonic Tester is exactly within the lines appearing on the camera screen. The crosshair on the camera screen points to the center of the Sonic Tester speaker, and the Sonic Tester's infrared light is within the circle appearing on the camera screen. This is when the camera and the Sonic Tester are properly aligned. Observe the decibel indicator bar on the right side of the camera screen. The microphone array of the camera works as it should if the bar's reading is within the green range. If the reading is in the red range, first make sure that the camera and the Sonic Tester are set up correctly and that the Sonic Tester's infrared light is lit up. If the camera still shows readings in the red area of the bar, please contact our support at support@nlacoustics.com.